Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss least common multiple. In short form we call LCM. I'll explain this topic through examples. First example, we're going to find that LCM for 12, 16 and 18. We have to follow several steps. The first step, we have to write the prime factor, that means product of prime factors. The given numbers we have to write as prime factors. So prime factor of 12, that is we have to write 2 into 2 into 3. If you consider other factors of 12, that is 6 into 2 and 4 into 3 also the factors, but 6 and 4, these two are not prime numbers, so we don't write like this. We'll write 2 into 2 into 3 because these numbers 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Similarly, we can find the factors for 16, the prime numbers, that means 2, 2, 2, because 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. We can't write 4 into 4 because 4 is not a prime number. Similarly, 18 becomes 2 into 3 into 3. Now, second step. Now we're going to find the greatest power of each prime number. That means, as what we found, the prime factor of 12, 2 into 2 into 3, we can write 2 into 2 as 2 square into 3. Similarly, 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. 18, 2 into 3 to the power 2. So out of these numbers, we're going to find which number has largest or greatest power. In this case, 2, it has power of 4 here. If you consider the number 3, it has power of 2. So we're going to select greatest power of 2 as 2 to the power 4 and 3 square. So we have to multiply these two numbers. So third, multiply all these powers to obtain the LCM. That is what we're going to do it now. So LCM equals, as what I said, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. That is 16 into 9. So final answer becomes 14. Therefore, LCM of 12, 16 and 18 is 144. I hope that you got that basic idea. Now we move to example number 2. We're going to follow the same steps. Find the least common multiples of algebraic terms 3a square b, 9a square b square, 12a into b square. First of all, we're going to select the numbers only. We're going to consider the numbers. So this number 3 here, only that factor is 3. And a square into b, that means a square into b. We don't have to rewrite again. Similarly, 9a square into b square, we can write 3 into 3. 9 means 3 into 3. A square b square as it is. So finally, 3 into 3, it becomes 3 square. 12ab square as what? We can write 3 into 4, 2 into 2, not 4, 2 into 2. Therefore, we can rewrite that 3 into 2 into 2 means 2 square, others ab square. So as what I said earlier, largest power we are going to select from numbers and algebraic terms also. So in the numbers, if you consider the numbers, here 3 to the power 2, that is what that largest power. So we have selected that. And if you consider number 2, it has only 1, 2 to the power 2, that is we have selected. The algebraic term a, that is here just a to the power 1 here and a to the power 2. So we have selected a to the power 2. Similarly, b square, b to the power 2. Now if you multiply this 9 into 4, the final answer you are getting 36 into a square into b square. In this example also we have to follow the same method. That means prime numbers we have to write that for given numbers, the factors with prime numbers, and largest power we have to select. So I'll move to next example number 3. In this example, algebraic expressions are given there. 3a, 6a square, 15 into a plus b. So I'm going to follow the same steps as we discussed earlier. So first 3a, that is of course 3 into a. Second 6a square, that is you can write 3 into 2 into a square. 3 and 2 are prime factors. 15 into a plus b, you can write 3 into 5. 15 you have to write 3 into 5 prime numbers, and a plus b as it is. So second step, what we have to do, we have to find the given numbers, the prime numbers, the largest power. In this case 3 only. So here if you consider the algebraic terms, a is there, a square is there, so we have to select a square. Here 3 and 2 and 5 also we have to select. A plus b also we have to select. Then LCM becomes, if you consider the only numbers, here 3 and 2 and 5. We don't have powers in this case. And algebraic terms, a square comes here and a plus b. So if you simplify this, 3 into 2 into 5, 30, a square into a plus b. So fourth example, now we have to find y into y plus 6, y square plus 5y minus 6. So first step, what you have to do, you have to factorize this algebraic expression. If you factorize this algebraic expression, already you have done that. So it becomes y plus 6 into y minus 1. So answer we can write like this. First of all, y into y plus 6 you can rewrite y into y plus 6 as it is. And this term y square plus 5y minus 6, that is you can factorize. So this is the answer, y plus 6 into y minus 1, this multiplication sign. So these y plus 6 in both here, and y minus 1. We don't have any power, so simply we can write LCM, this y and y plus 6 only once we had to write, and y minus 1. So the final answer, y into y plus 6 into y minus 1. This is what the final answer for these algebraic expressions. So in this topic, in this video, I explained how to find LCM for numbers and algebraic expressions. You can use this idea for solve to other examples. I hope that you got these ideas. Thank you for joining with me, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.